Hi everyone, this is Billy. I just finished printing my 3D variometer for the AM and shortwave crystal radio. So I just wind some turns. The outer coil is 40 turns, inner coil 60 turns, and I'm putting them in series and testing with the inductance meter. What is the variable inductance range that this variometer is capable of delivering? So the minimum inductance is what you see here, 122 microhenry. Let me rotate to the other side. Okay, it's 349 microhenry. Let me rotate halfway. If I rotate halfway, it's 243 microhenry. If I return to the minimum inductance, 121 microhenry. So let me change back to again 121 compared with 346. It's around roughly 3 times the variable inductance, which may still be not big enough to support the AM frequency range from 500 kHz to 1.5 megahertz. But I'll do some testing and see how many level of band switch we'll need to tune the AM crystal radio.